how to max your account faster in Clash Royale. Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'm an 8 years Clash Royale player. So I'm gonna share to you my tips on how to have a max level account, max level deck. So I'm not fully maxed guys, but most of my cards are at level 15 elite level. So I still have 30 more cards that need to be level 15. And what I did was, first, if you want to max your account, of course the best way is to spend money. So if you're not a heavy spender, I suggest you just buy a Pass Royale or Diamond Pass every season. That's a big boost guys. And the good thing about that is you get an evolution for that month. So usually the new evolutions are broken, which will help you push ladder faster and do the most recent meta decks. So you can also get some wild cards, some lucky chests, gems. If you're lucky, some of these lucky drops can even turn into more Evo wild shards or an evolution for a 5-star drop. So just spending a little, like a diamond pass every season, is a big help. Number 2 guys, you should play every day guys. I can't stress how much you have to play every day, because every day if you play and win 4 matches a day, you get gold, you get some lucky chests, and also some crowns. These crowns can help you complete their Pass Royale, the free one and the Diamond Pass one. So if you're able to get lots of crowns, you can get the max drop of this lucky loop. So playing every day is a big boost to your account guys. So try to win 4 matches a day. Next, if you already used up all their 4 wins and did all the daily tasks, including the events guys, you should also do the events, because the events give you some emotes and some gold if you win. So next, the third and final method is, actually it's not the final method, but another best way to max your account is by doing this classic challenge, mega drop challenge, or grand challenge guys. So this is for more experienced players guys. If you're pretty good at the game, of course, do a grand challenge. If you're able to win 8 to 12, that's pretty good. But if you're not that good guys, you can just do classic challenge so that you can improve your game. Try to get at least 10 to 12 wins in the classic challenge guys. And you can also earn some rewards as you get more wins. And you can also do a mega drop guys. That's also a lot of free items, but you have to spend gems guys. So use your free gems that you get from the mastery cards, mastery of cards, to enter these challenges: grand challenge, mega drop, and classic. So that's it guys. I was supposed to add that you should play global tournaments, but as of now I don't see any more global tournaments, because that's also a big boost to your account. By getting at least 10 wins, you can spend 500 gems to get a lot of rewards, and also legendary king chest. So that's a big boost to your account. So unfortunately, we don't have any more global tournaments as of the moment. Hopefully they bring it back guys. So that's it guys. I hope you have learned something guys, and for more videos like this, please follow my page on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy and learn something from my content. Bye bye.